That never gets old. What is up, guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the custom Tuono series. You know the drill. We're customizing this bike. We're giving it away when we're done. If you would like to help support these projects and be entered to win this bike when we're done, check out the Patreon page. As always, the first link in the description below. Today, I'm heading over to Santa Barbara Ducati and we're going to be cleaning up the front end of this bike, the stock mirrors, removing the stock turn signals, installing some flush mount signals, and we're going to start peeling off. We're going to remove all these warning stickers on this in preparation for the painting that's going to be happening hopefully sooner than later. Just waiting on the custom Aprilia logos and the Illenberger carbon belly panels. Once we have those, we're going to start disassembling the entire bike and send it off for painting. So this is going to be a good episode. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. This bike is ridiculous, guys. If you missed the last episode, we installed a Aprilia race up map ACU flash along with a Sprint high flow filter to go along with that full Campisi exhaust system, and the bike just feels absolutely flawless right now. It is so good and so fast, so capable. The exhaust sounds so good. We're not going to trim that exhaust can down, the carbon fiber can from Campisi. The sound is perfect. It's just loud enough that people notice you, but not too loud that you're an asshole. And it's just like, it's absurd, guys. Like, the tire wants to float in every gear. Like, it's just, it's incredible. I love this bike. Again, it's I think it's one of the best bike I've ridden as far as like overall package, comfort, power, agility, handling, all that stuff. My only issue with this bike still is how it looks. But again, after probably by the end of this month, it's going to really start to take shape, and you guys are going to see why I chose this bike and what I had in mind whenever I chose it. And I think it's going to be really, really something special when we're done. So, woo, let's get over there and get started. All right, so we have arrived. We got the bad boy up on the lift, and what we're going to start with here are the Nrc turn signals. So these are going to replace the stock turn signals that stick out so far and flop around like a bag of ding-dongs, and we're going to put these nice ones on here. Should be pretty straightforward. And then we're also going to remove these big dumb mirrors. I don't actually have the bar end mirrors yet, but honestly, even if I did, I wouldn't put them on because for filtering in California, I don't like having mirrors anyway. I'm almost hit car mirrors with these things and it's not fun. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna actually start removing all of these ridiculous warning stickers, and that's where Christina comes into play. So get your heat gun, babe. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is pull these mirrors off. All you do is pull off this rubber piece and then pull them off. Are you doing this one? Yes. You can go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah. Like I said, I will be putting bar end mirrors on, but for now I don't want to because I just don't need them. For California, it's better not to have them. Right now there will be like holes here, but we're going to be doing Brembo RCS Masters for both sides, so this entire system is going to get replaced anyway, so you don't need to worry about it. Oh yeah, I know, actually it does look way better than I thought it would. So yeah, we're not going to plug them or anything like that because the whole thing is going to be replaced anyway in the future. So that's what we're doing right now, getting rid of these freaking things and saving some weight.
Yeah, right.
At the same time. Look how much better that looks, guys. Holy hell. That makes the front look so much better, and as soon as we get these freaking things off, oh, it's gonna look so much better. All right, so next we're gonna do the turn signals. Brian's never done these before. We're thinking that you take these apart. We actually went online, they have directions online. So we're looking at the directions here. It looks like they took this thing apart, and that's where you run the wires in between there?
The wire's gonna go beside the bracket.
Beside it.
This is gonna be the mounting hole.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, okay, cool. Teens is just doing some motor work, guys. if you ever wonder what she's doing in her spare time, she's just working on motors. All right, so we removed the stock signals. He just basically cut it right off at the stock connector. He split them open so you can see both sides there. Do you know which is which there?
Yes.
Was the blue the ground?
We got hot and ground. Okay,
so there you go. He's just gonna solder these together or do whatever he wants to do to put them together. And then that'll, we'll test the connection and see what happens. All right, so before he solders this together, we're double checking it. Okay, and which one was that?
The dark blue and black and the light blue and red.
Okay, perfect. So that's what we'll do. Look at this little soldering setup we got. I love it. It's like a mini, it's like mini welding. Thank you. Go for it. So this is the correct way to connect two wires. Solder those bitches. And just doing the other side right now. This is actually the first time I've ever seen this. It's pretty wild. That's it, huh?
That's it.
Look at that. Like a pen. What is that in there? Copper?
Yeah. It just takes all the excess flux off the soldering iron.
Oh, okay.
All the extra solder, and then just takes it right off.
Pretty cool.
Try not to set the rag on fire.
Yeah, that would be good. So just heat shrinking the rubber, which you don't want to do with other types of rubbers.
No.
And then he's going to put the big one over top and heat shrink that one as well. So you can drive through a freaking stream with this thing and your turn signals are going to keep working.
Not shorting out here.
Thanks to Brian. All right, so after that, he just zip tied it up together, and then after we completely attach it, he'll push it through all the factory loops and everything like that. So right now he's gonna put the bottom bracket back on so he can bolt it back onto the freaking bike. All right, so that's how it sits right there. Looks really, really nice. Much, much better, and then test it, make sure it works. Perfect, look how freaking bright that is. Good job, Brian. So we'll do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll be ready to remove some warning stickers. So there's both NRC turn signals working at the same time. You can see the ones in the back and you can see the ones in the front, which is actually pretty cool because you can even see those from the back, the front turn signals from the back side of the bike. Obviously you're not gonna be able to see the back ones from the front of the bike, but pretty freaking sweet, guys. Look how much better that front end looks. All right, so repeating the process right here on the other side, just checking to make sure it works, and it does. So he's gonna go ahead and start soldering. All right, repeating the process over here. Teens is watching over his shoulder to make sure he does it all right. Teens, you've never seen soldering, huh?
No, I haven't. It's really cool.
Not to be confused with sodomy. All right, same thing. Heat shrinking the rubbers on, and then we'll put this bad boy on and get started with the warning labels. Look, we got Minnie, Mo, and Jack over here working on stickers. Teens is doing her thing here. Bry guy just got that one off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these stickers, we'll put them on the cardboard pieces, and we'll send them along with the new owners in case he wants to put them back on the bike. But I certainly don't want them on the bike. Do you?
No.
No. How sexy is that, guys? A lady with a heat gun. There's the thumbnail. Well, guys, Christina gave up. Brian came in and took over. He said, give me that damn heat gun. I'm gonna use my man hands. Christina said she ruined her nails. Look at her. Oh, are you helping? Are you helping now?
I'm helping so much.
Oh, for sure.
Right here.
We got one off so far. Two. Sorry, we got two.
And the
It's
one
gonna be a long process.
Yeah.
No, I'm this one plus that
sorry.
one.
Okay,
We
yeah.
got two. We got,
can't count,
We got
that's why
6
I'm
more
here.
to do. We're gonna be here for 14 hours removing stickers for you guys. Look at this. Look at Brian.
Oh.
Brian, the MVP, just stepping up and just showing up. Teens, he just showed you up hard. What do you,
Warning.
warning.
Never install accessories or replacements on this.
I was gonna say warning. Don't inflate under pressure.
No enhancements needed.
Look how much better the tank looks, guys, with those freaking stickers removed, those damn warning labels. Brian got this one off in one fell swoop. Now we're gonna see if he can do this one, just like the, I guess heating it up, we weren't heating it up enough, I think. I was a little bit scared that the gas tank might explode. Brian doesn't worry about things like that.
Oh.
All right, so Teens is using WD-40. Yeah, we put her back to work. Everyone's gonna be like, Jaret, why are you making Teens do the work? You should be doing this. I asked her and she said she wanted to do it. That's my story and I'm sticking to it, guys. Plus, wouldn't you rather look at this than my ugly ass face on the camera? Although, I feel like you need a bikini on. Let's see what we can do here. It didn't work.
Okay.
It didn't work. Nope, it'll get demonetized. Oh, as soon as I start filming.
Yeah.
Damn it. Look at that. I don't understand how he does it. So it's just because you're heating them up more, huh? That's unbelievable. God, it looks so much better with that gone. This bike's gonna look so good, guys. We're gonna let the painter take all of these off because he said if you screw it up, it's gonna create more work for him. So he's gonna remove like all of these. All of these are stickers. He's gonna remove all of those whenever he paints it. So we're gonna save all of that for him. Originally, I thought we were gonna do it, but again, he told me not to. So we're just gonna do these annoying stickers for him. And that way it'll clean up the looks of the bike a little bit more as well. Look at this. This is how stuff gets done around here, guys. Certainly not from Jaret Bear. All right, so we got all the stickers removed that we can remove legally. Look how much better that looks. It looks so much better, so much cleaner. Look at that swing arm. I actually don't mind the aluminum now. And then we got a bunch removed on this side as well. That one up there on the front fairing. And then that one back here on the swing arm. We have to leave the emissions stickers on there for now. But man, it looks so much better. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I'm just heading home right now, trying not to die in this ridiculous traffic. But I will split lane. See, this is why not having mirrors on the bike is so nice, because it's a lot easier for me to get through all this BS. But yeah, the turn signals look awesome. The mirrors gone is amazing. I will send bar end mirrors along with the new owner, so don't worry about that, guys. And of course, all those stickers being removed just looks so much better. And I'll let the painter remove the rest of the stickers. But in the meantime, oh man, probably gonna get so much shit for lane splitting while vlogging. But when you ride in California for 15 years, you just kind of get used to it. And if you do it correctly, it's really not that unsafe. It's actually technically safer than being in stop and go traffic as a motorcyclist, plus people even pull over for you. But yeah, that's gonna do it, guys, for this one. Next episode, we're gonna be installing the carbon wheels along with the chain and the sprocket. So I'm super excited for that. This thing is, oh my God, it's such an incredible bike. Again, don't forget, if you guys wanna be entered to win this motorcycle, be sure to check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. If you wanna get any parts we put on this bike, you can get them through our sponsor Manny at Moto Million. You can use code Campisi to save yourself some money on anything you order from them. And I think that's gonna do it. So I'm gonna enjoy my ride home through traffic here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.